Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I have created this everyday college makeup look right here, which is super quick and easy and also barely requires any makeup products. So if you are a beginner or a makeup lover and want to know how to use each makeup product in detail and achieve this super quick and easy look, then please continue watching. I'm going to begin my makeup with this primer right here. It is a drugstore primer from the Maybelline. I absolutely love this because it is extremely lightweight and has a non-greasy formula. Now the most important asked question is a primer important? Well, yes, it is very important because it creates the perfect canvas for your makeup. It also helps to blur out your imperfections and fill in your pores, and it also helps to create a barrier between your skin and makeup. So next I'm going to be showing you all the right technique on how to apply your primer before starting your makeup. So now I'm going to be just taking a pea-size amount on my finger like you can see, and I'll apply a little bit on my nose, on my cheek and my chin. So basically the areas that you feel you have imperfections or open pores, and this is the area that I feel needs to be covered. So I'm just going to take my fingers and dab it into my skin. You do not need to rub it. All you need to do is use dabbing motions. Next I'm going to be taking this Vaseline lip balm and just applying it on my lips because it is very important to keep your lips hydrated and moisturized while I wait for the primer to absorb into my skin and dry up. I'm using my favorite concealer by the LA Girl. I'm in the shade Pure Beige. And I'm basically going to apply this only on the areas that are dark and I have a little discoloration. So basically under my eyes, and taking my ring finger, I'm just using a dabbing motion and pressing the concealer inside. Please make sure to use a dabbing motion and do not rub the concealer. And this gives you an amazing coverage. You do not even need a foundation because for college, a foundation gets too heavy on an everyday basis and you're out for very long hours. So you do not want to put in a lot of product. So like you can see, I am done applying my concealer and I let it sit for 5 minutes and absorb into my skin and settle down. And next I'm going to be taking my favorite compact from the MAC and just setting my entire face with a fluffy brush from Colorbar. So you just need to take a little amount and dab it under your eyes so that the concealer just sets in place and does not crease. I'm just using a dabbing motion with my brush all over my face. And this compact powder gives you an amazing coverage, so you don't even need a lot of foundation or concealer. If you do not have any imperfections or darkness, you can directly go in with this. Now next, to add a little flush of color to my face, I am going to be applying a blush from Nykaa. Now this blush is highly pigmented, so please make sure to take some and dust it off your hand and then apply it on your face. Don't go directly and just apply it because it is very pigmented. So all you need to do is just apply it on the apple of your cheeks going upwards, a little on the nose to bind the entire look together. So a blush basically just brings back life to your entire face and adds that lovely pop of color for an everyday look. So I'm done applying it, and like you can see, it's looking so pretty and natural. And now moving on to the eyebrows, I'm using this Nykaa Brow Girl pencil, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrows. And just follow the natural shape, as we don't want something too over the top. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the sparse areas. And using a very light hand, that's it. So this just gives a little more definition to your face, and eyebrows make or break your look. So please make sure to do your eyebrows before stepping out. Just make sure to brush it, and with a very light hand go ahead and fill in the sparse areas. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm going to keep the look very simple and minimal as it's a college makeup look, and for this I'm using the PAC long lasting pencil in coffee brown. Yes, it's in coffee brown, and I'm just going to take it and apply it very close to my eyelashes. Like you can see, just very close. And then taking the other side of the brush, that is a smudger, I am just going to hold this and smudge it out. I am done lining my upper lash line. Now for my waterline, I'm going to be going in with this PAC long lasting pencil in the shade nude and applying it right in my waterline. So this basically helps to give your eyes a more wider look and makes it look even more open, which I'm sure is very necessary for all college going girls, because you have to wake up early in the morning and rush to college. So this will definitely do the trick for you all. With a very light and gentle hand, just go ahead and apply it. So you can see the difference that it makes. And you're done. Next, to give my lashes that long and fuller appearance, I'm going to be using my favorite mascara by the Maybelline. It is the Lash Sensational, and I'm just going to take this, remove the excess, and lift my eye up and start applying it. You can skip the liner if you want, but please make sure to apply mascara, as it can really make or break your look and makes so much of a difference. So you can see the difference it makes. It just completely opens up your eye. So I'm going to do the other eye and be right back. So for today's look, I'm going to be going in with this lipstick by the Nykaa in the shade Nefertiti. It is a really beautiful coral nudish shade. So you can opt for a matte lipstick or a semi-matte, but please don't go for glossy lipsticks as that's really difficult to carry throughout the day. And preferably go for a smaller lipstick that you can just throw into your bag and touch up. So the final step is applying a setting spray. This basically helps to lock all your makeup in place all day long. I'm sure college going students are out for long hours, so it is very important to apply a makeup spray so that your entire makeup melts and looks one. So all you need to do is shake the bottle and just keep it a little away from your face and spritz it. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. I hope you'll enjoyed watching it as much as I loved creating it for you guys. This look is super simple and easy, and if you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe it with your friends and family, and let's get this community growing as I'll be coming up with a lot more fun videos related to makeup, beauty, skincare and hacks. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon in my next one. Until then, stay beautiful and stay healthy.